How to crop a photo into a circle in Canva. So first is to log into your Canva account. Then click this Create a Design button next to your profile icon. Now select the file type that you want to use. So for this, I will be using this document type. So on the left portion of your screen, select Elements. Now using the search bar, search for frames. As you can see, you will find this frames section here, and then just click the See All button. So you can use any of these provided frames, but for this, I will be using this circle frame. So just drag the frame on the file. Once you have your frame, go to Uploads, and then click this Upload File button to upload your photo. And then from here, select the photo that you want to upload. Now once the photo has been uploaded, just drag it to the file. And then drag the photo over the frame. So you can resize the frame to however you like by dragging these buttons. Also, you can adjust the position of the photo by double-clicking the frame. So when you double-click the photo or the frame, this section here will appear. So you can crop your photo and expand if you're using the Pro Canva. So you can also click the Smart Crop button and rotate your photo. For this, I will just drag the photo to adjust. Once you're done, click this Done button. Once you're satisfied, click the Share button located on the top right corner, and then click Download. So you can change the file type by clicking this drop-down arrow button, and then select the file type that you want to use. So for this, I will be using the suggested, which is the PNG. So if you're using Pro Canva, you can click this box beside transparent background. So when you click transparent background, only this photo will be downloaded. So now click download. And so that is how you crop a photo into a circle in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.